So teach and tell me the way these things work out. Is someone else in me just waiting to break free? The world keeps twisting and still it's twisting without an end in sight. You laugh and smile at me, but you don't say a thing. Through the rain, just to breathe again. Could this one be my last? Unravel me, please unravel my soul. Make reality freeze. Unbreakable, unbreakable, unshakable, unshakable. And finally it drives me mad. Unravels wrap around me just before it pulls me under. But now at this rate, I fear it's too late. Give up your searching, I don't want to be found. Your gaze would haunt me. I've thrown away reality and it has changed me. I'm not the same, don't call my name, don't wanna hurt you. But if you must see, look through your memory. That's where I will live on. This loneliness is infinite, it's laughing at the innocent. I can't tune out the memory, I'm screaming out for mercy. Unravel me, unravel me, unravel me, unravel me, unravel me, unravel my soul, unravel Inside I've been shaken, my sanity taken. Heartbroken, I've stayed intertwined. From once was yours and once was mine. Unbreakable, unbreakable, unshakable, unshakable. I won't let you contaminate me. Just before it pulls me under. But now at this rate, I fear it's too late. Give up your searching, I don't want to be found. Your gaze would haunt me. I'm falling for a wicked trap until you reach for me. So close your eyes and say goodbye before our mystery. But if you must see, look through your memory. Because that's where I'll live on. So don't forget me, so don't forget me, so don't forget me. Please don't forget me. The changes inside were enough to paralyze. I doubt I'll survive in this hellish paradise. So if you miss me, look through your memory. So teach and tell, so teach and tell.
I love you, Jill, and I want you to be free.